guys, today I'm doing a quick review on this Almond Breeze. This is basically their unsweetened vanilla. And take a look at the, if you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. As you can see, it's fortified, and you got, there's your calcium. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here's the consistency, guys. There it is. Taste-wise, it's got a hint of vanilla, but it's more you do just taste more of the almond to it. So not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.